This is a Minecraft compass. Rather than pointing north, it will point to where you first spawn in the Minecraft world. Or you can link it to a lodestone so that you'll never get lost. And in this video, I make this, the Minecraft compass. Step 1. Design. I designed this compass so that it was in multiple pieces that only needed to be glued together. I also added a slot to put a bearing in it so that the needle can actually spin. Now that the design is done, it is now time to start Step 2. Printing. Step 3. Assembly. I just used normal super glue to glue together the two needle pieces. And then I glued the two bigger pieces together. The other pieces did not need to be glued because I designed the other pieces to be press fit together, so I just let the super glue dry. The needle actually looked really good. After the glue dried, I just press fit the bearing into the compass, and then I press fit the needle into the bearing. And it spins! I'm actually really happy with how this came out. It looks great and it spins really smoothly. If you have a printer and would like to print it yourself, my model is available on MakerWorld, and I'll have the link down in the description. I did also notice an issue where you could see through the diagonals of the grey pieces, but I have fixed that in the model. Thanks for watching!